Hi, good morning. Ken here from Ultralight Camera Solutions, and today I'm going to do an instructional video on our tripod kits. So we've got a number of tripod kits. Most of them use either the AC tri clamp, which you see here, or they use the tri head, the pan and tilt head. Most of the kits that we ship out will have the parts all individual. Like a tripod kit will have 3 arms of whichever size, whatever clamp it uses, and whatever the mounting hardware is. So that will be in a bigger bag, and that bag will be labeled with the kit part number on it. So you're going to end up getting a bag with a lot of individual parts. So how do you put it together? Good question. So on here you have 3 3-inch arms, DBO3s. Basically, you just take the clamp, loosen the knob back a ways, then you would just take whatever arm it is, set it down inside, tighten it down, and you're all set. If you have a kit like this with the nut and the washers are only in there as a placeholder. So what you're going to have to do is take this out or off, take these off, flip them around. So you basically will need the nut first, the split or lock washer, flat washer, and then whatever mount you ordered it with. It will either have a GoPro mount or it will have a ball mount for a light with a clamp. You're going to put those on there, tighten this down with a wrench, and then you're all set. If you have a Sea Life video camera that just has a threaded hole, you can take it and go directly on here and tighten that down, and you're all set. So that's how you would put these together. We also have, so the pan and tilt head, we do sell this as a separate item. It would be in this bag. And our bigger tripod has the adjustable legs and the muck balls. These are packaged together, no assembly required. Have a great day and enjoy your videoing.